National Weather Service in Gaylord has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Leelanau County in northern Michigan, Benzie County in northern Michigan, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Frankfort, moving east at 65 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Point BETSIE and Platte Lake. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alberta around 6:05 p.m. Frankfort around 6:10 p.m. Empire, Beulah, Benzonia and Honor around 6:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Platte Township, Burdickville, Lake Ann, Maple City and Bendon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Benzie and Leelanau.